Hello, in this video I'll tell you that if you have two monitors like I have, how you can edit your video in Filmora using two screens. So if you see that I have this also here, so you can drag and put it here, right? Then it will come here, and you can now see that if I'll play this video here, I am pressing the play button. You see this is moving. So what you can do is, right, this cursor is moving. So that means step one, you have to come. It is working. Also, you can bring any of this section. What you have to make sure is that when you bring your cursor, it should become a specific way, right? Like this, and then you can drag and drop and place it there. You can place only one section at a time, right? If you want to bring this one, right? So I'll take this portion now. So it should be like this cursor, then you can drag and drop. Right now you see that this section came here, so you can bring any of this section whatever you want in Filmora on two screens. So hope you like it. Also, one additional tip, like if you want to play the video in a high speed, you can press the L key on your system, then it will run very fast. Let me show you. So now it is running. I have pressed L. So if you see, it is very fast, this timer. So hope you like it. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll share more updates on this.